In this video, I will show you how you can transfer ownership on your Discord server. So first of all, you need to open up your Discord, find the server. I just created a test server here. I had my friend join. Now, once you're in here, you're gonna click on the top left here on the server name. From in here, you should see something that says server settings. Go in here. Now, scroll all the way down and find user management. And there should be one that says members. Go in here and you can see all the members on your server. There's only me and my friend right now, but you should be able to see all. You can even search for them. From in here, you should see 3 dots in the right side. Click on it. And from here, you can see transfer ownership. Now, if you do this, this will make them the owner of the server and they will have way more privileges than they have now. And they will even have more privileges over you. So be careful who you do this to. Only do it to people you trust. Or if you don't care about the server anymore, you can do it as well. But yeah, that's basically how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching.